I'm making a really impromptu video here because I've just opened up this little bit of kit. It's the MaonoCaster, hope I've said that right. This is direct competition to the Rodecaster Pro. I'm lucky enough to be one of the few UK reviewers to get this. It's not available in the UK as yet, I'm pretty sure, and it is fantastic. This is in direct competition in my eyes with the Rodecaster Pro. It's basically a Rodecaster Pro Mini. It's got I'm just going to go over it really quickly. It's got two inputs with both. I've got independent 48 volts of power. They've got mute buttons. They've also got effects on it as well. And we've also got some keypads here on the right hand side. For example, we've got a swear button so I can and and it will completely take that off. That's just a little bit of fun there. You've also got this.
A few moments later.
Which is pretty good. You've got a mix little dial here as well. But those are the kind of effects that you've got on it. Some are just a little bit of fun, like the pitch button here.
Which I can totally disguise my voice, to be honest with you, or I can make it really low.
Or
I can also make it really high and really squeaky.
But those sort of things are just a little bit of fun. This should be taken completely seriously. I'm going to do a series of videos on this. I'm really excited to get into it in more depth. I wish I was in my studio right now. I'm actually away from home. My studio is getting work done on it, or my house is getting work done on it. So right now I'm in an echo chamber. This has got a killer feature which I'm going to turn off right now to give you an idea of exactly what kind of room that I'm in. I'm going to turn off the denoise button. I don't know if you can hear. Can you hear? You'll definitely be able to hear the reverb. You'll definitely be able to hear a clock in the background. And there's also a boiler there as well. So if I just turn that back on, the denoise button back on, there you go. I'm not using any other effects other than that. It really is. I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited to put some more tests through it, through different mics. But this, for me, if I knew this existed before, I probably, I don't think I would have bought my Rodecaster. An initial setup right now, I don't think I would have, because the Rodecaster is very expensive. This is far more affordable. It's about £200, I believe, or $200. You can also put in phone calls for this as well. It's very portable. It's a battery operated as well. So you can run it off mains, or you can run it off a battery, so you can take it anywhere you want to go. You can do mixing with music, which I'm not really familiar with, to be honest with you. So it's more about doing podcasts and doing kind of vocal videos like I'm doing right now. Really excited with this one. So I'm going to be doing a series of videos. So please, if this interests you, make sure to click that subscribe button, I suppose. And I'll see you in those next videos. Really excited for this one. This one's a good one. In my excitement, I get completely forgotten about what else you get with this. You get this microphone as well, and this lovely little stand here. You get all this. You get the cable. You get a plethora of other cables as well. You get everything that you need to start up a podcast or to start up a YouTuber like myself. This is all in one. This mic ain't half bad. I've got to be honest, this ain't half bad. It is a condenser microphone, so it takes 48 volts of phantom power. But if you're just starting off and you just want a microphone that will work straight away, this ain't half bad at all, with the table stand as well. Really, as I said, I'm kind of blown away at the moment.